Number 1. 1987 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883, $3,600, Dayton, Ohio. The 1987 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 is a classic American V-twin that blends compact size with the unmistakable character of the Sportster lineup. Known for its simple design, approachable handling, and customization potential, the 883 remains a favorite among both new riders and longtime Harley enthusiasts. The seller describes this example as a clean motorcycle featuring an army green theme, twisted spoke wheels, and matching hard saddlebags. It is reportedly ready to ride and well-suited for weekend cruising. For buyers looking for an affordable classic Harley with custom styling, this Sportster offers plenty of appeal. Number 2. 1957 BSA Road Rocket, $6,900, Sheboygan, Wisconsin. The 1957 BSA Road Rocket is one of the most desirable British motorcycles of the 1950s. Powered by a 646cc parallel twin engine and recognized as the first high-performance model in BSA's A10 series, its combination of classic styling and strong performance has made it a favorite among vintage British motorcycle collectors. According to the seller, this Road Rocket is a very original survivor that runs well while retaining much of its authentic character. For enthusiasts searching for a rare and highly collectible British classic, this BSA presents a wonderful opportunity. Number 3. 1973 Triumph Tiger, $6,000, Sullivan, Wisconsin. The 1973 Triumph Tiger represents the final years of Triumph's legendary parallel twin era, offering classic British styling and an engaging riding experience. Appreciated for its simplicity and timeless design, the Tiger continues to attract collectors and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts alike. The seller reports that this right foot shift example runs well and has only a small tear in the seat consistent with its age. For buyers looking for a solid vintage Triumph that's ready to enjoy, this Tiger is a very appealing choice. Number 4. 1978 BMW R80/7, $5,000, Wentzville, Missouri. The 1978 BMW R80/7 is a respected air-cooled boxer twin known for its smooth performance, long-distance comfort, and dependable engineering. As part of BMW's iconic /7 series, it remains a favorite among riders who appreciate classic touring motorcycles with lasting reliability. According to the seller, this three-owner motorcycle starts reliably, has been carefully maintained indoors, and includes extensive service records, manuals, original parts, and extra components. Aside from a minor oil pan gasket leak, it is described as being in excellent condition for its age. For enthusiasts seeking a well-documented vintage BMW, this R80/7 is an outstanding option. Number 5. 1973 Moto Guzzi Eldorado, $5,000, Ball Ground, Georgia. The 1973 Moto Guzzi Eldorado is one of Italy's most iconic touring motorcycles, admired for its durable V-twin engine, comfortable ride, and unmistakable styling. Originally favored by touring riders and law enforcement agencies, the Eldorado remains a highly respected classic among Moto Guzzi enthusiasts. The seller describes this example as an honest motorcycle with a new battery, wiring harness, OEM exhaust, newer alternator, and good tires, along with a Vetter fairing and Sportster saddlebags included. Minor cosmetic imperfections are noted, but the bike has been regularly started over the years. For buyers looking for a classic Italian touring motorcycle with solid potential, this Eldorado offers excellent vintage character. Number 6. 1981 Honda CB750K, $2,000, Arnold, Maryland. The 1981 Honda CB750K continues the legacy of Honda's legendary CB750, a motorcycle that helped redefine the superbike category with its smooth inline-4 engine and everyday reliability. Its timeless styling and dependable performance have kept the CB750 popular among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts for decades. According to the seller, this example starts and runs well while benefiting from numerous recent upgrades, including rebuilt carburetors, a new battery, chain, seat cover, ignition components, cables, and fresh maintenance throughout. For buyers looking for an affordable CB750 that's ready to enjoy, this classic Honda offers excellent value. Number 7. 1970 BSA Thunderbolt, $4,750, Greenville, Ohio. The 1970 BSA Thunderbolt is a classic British twin, admired for its 650cc engine, lightweight feel, and timeless styling. As one of BSA's most recognizable models, the Thunderbolt remains a favorite among collectors who appreciate traditional British motorcycles with plenty of character. The seller reports that this matching numbers example received a frame-up restoration after years in storage and now starts on the first or second kick. It also features numerous new components, comes with extra parts and documentation, and includes a clean Ohio title. For enthusiasts searching for a well-restored British classic, this Thunderbolt is ready for the road. Number 8. 1979 Kawasaki KZ650B, $3,700, Lexington, Kentucky. The 1979 Kawasaki KZ650B earned a reputation as one of the most balanced middleweight motorcycles of its era, combining strong four-cylinder performance with everyday comfort and reliability. Its versatile design continues to make it a popular choice among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this example is in outstanding condition, has received a recent oil change, runs great, and is ready to ride. A clean title is also included with the sale. For buyers looking for a well-kept classic Kawasaki, this KZ650B presents a very attractive opportunity. Number 9. 1959 Harley-Davidson Panhead Chopper, $18,000, Thornhill, Tennessee. The 1959 Harley-Davidson Panhead is one of the most iconic American motorcycles ever built, celebrated for its distinctive V-twin engine and lasting influence on custom chopper culture. Original Panheads continue to be highly sought after by collectors thanks to their timeless styling and historical significance. The seller describes this custom chopper as featuring original matching cases, frame, tanks, brakes, and wheels, along with a rebuilt drivetrain with approximately 1,000 miles of use. It reportedly runs and rides excellently and comes with a clean title. For enthusiasts seeking a genuine Panhead with classic chopper character, this Harley is an exceptional find.
Number 10. 1977 Suzuki GS750, $1,200, Alliance, Ohio. The 1977 Suzuki GS750 helped establish Suzuki as a serious competitor in the four-cylinder motorcycle market, offering dependable performance and sporty handling that still appeal to vintage enthusiasts today. Early GS models remain popular because of their durability, straightforward mechanics, and restoration potential. According to the seller, this motorcycle was regularly ridden for several years before a leaking carburetor sidelined it. It comes with a clean title and is being offered as a project for its next owner. For buyers looking for an affordable classic Suzuki with solid restoration potential, this GS750 is worth a closer look.
Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Tell us which classic motorcycle was your favorite. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us again for more classic motorcycles for sale.